Alright, let's go ahead and look at our next. Oh, we'll do all the rest of them. So for the next one here, we're trying to decide which cup of coffee to prepare. The heights are 4 to 6, which is really 2 to 3, which means that is r, because r is anything to do with length. Which means that r squared is 4 over 9, which means that r cubed is 8 over 27. Now, the purchase price of the coffee is $1 versus $3. We are not buying the height of it. We are not buying the cup of it. We are buying the physical volume of it. So volume is what we're looking for, and we're trying to figure out what would be a good price. So $1 versus what would actually be a good price. So if I did that math, I would have 27 divided by 8, which is $3.38. So that is how much the new volume should cost, but since we're only paying $3, it's a good deal because we're paying less than what we should for the volume. Looking at number 5, ratio, 2 is to 5.4. That's R. Volumes, so I need volumes R cubed, which is 8 is to 157.464. And let's see the volume of the original. So we're wondering if that's equal to 15 over 40.5. That's what we're trying to figure out. So right away, I look at that and I can clearly see that it's not, because this is like times not even 3, and that's way more than times 3. But I can also do this a variety of ways. I can check to see if this is equal to this. So I could do 8 divided by that, get a number, 15 divided by that, get another, see if they're the same. I could do cross multiply. If this is equal to this, then that works. There's lots of different ways to do that. But again, just looking at it, I know that 15 times 3 is like 45, and 8 times 3 is like 27. So these are clearly not even close to being correct. All right, so number 6. Huge enlargement of Carl's Jr. cup in Miss Parsons' classroom requires 9 times more paper than the original cup. So 1 is to 9 is paper, which is r squared, which means r is equal to 1/3, which means r cubed is equal to 1 over 27. The original cup held 16 ounces, and we want to know how many ounces my new cup holds. So I do my little multiplication and get 32 ounces is what I have. Okay, last one. Similar, that's what they mean. 3 to 12, which really means 3 is to 12, which is 1 is to 4. So this is r. So r squared is 1 over 16, and r cubed is 1 over 64. Volume is 10.5, so 1 is to 64 as 10.5 is too small. The next one, 1 is to 16, because I'm talking about surface area, so I'm talking about r squared, and large is 20, and the new one is what we're looking for, so we do a little cross multiply to solve for both of these, and we get our answers. Thanks for playing. Bye.